This is the super fun sit or stand Beleev Skateboard swing with a solid 7-layer maple grippy skateboard deck, solid wooden adjustable height handles, and adjustable height ropes. I was sent this to review, so let me show you a closer look, including the quick and easy tool-free installation and how to use it. Comes with everything you might possibly need to install it. The board and the rope is already attached to each other, so you don't have to worry about that. You just have to take the plastic off the board. And here are the instructions and more details about taking care of it and assembly. It's a really, really great grip tape surface, not the kind that like hurts or shreds your hands like on a skateboard. It's much, much nicer. For each of the straps, they end with this ring and then you connect them with this bit. And so that's what you hook up here. One side, two are connected, and then on the other side, two are connected, if that makes sense. This opens, and then once you have it connected up there, you're gonna screw it shut so it can't open by accident. So now we've got it hanging from just a standard swing connectors on our swing set. These are adjustable, really nice wooden handles on each side. My 10-year-old's gonna demo for us. So how we have it set up here, you can kind of swing, stand and swing sideways or forward and backward, whatever you wanna do. We kind of moved the other swing out of the way so she'd have more space, but you have to be careful if you have a narrow swing set. And then you can sit down and use it like a regular swing. So you can hold on to the wood, you can hold on to the ropes. So fun and versatile. In case you don't have a swing set, it does come with this as well to help you install it on a tree, for example. Really nice braided ropes and connectors. Everything feels like really solid and nice. Really nice solid board. Great construction. Love it. Do you love it?
Yeah, this is super fun.
Super fun. And it was so easy to set up. Literally, you just hook it up there and you can adjust it, but we didn't.